Hi all, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be seeing Oracle Express Edition download and its installation, and also we will see Toad for Oracle download and installation. So stay tuned. So now we will be going to Google and we will search for Oracle Express Edition download. Okay, so you can click on the first link. Yeah, and you can see here Oracle Database 21C Express Edition for Windows. So you can click on that for download. So you can see download is started. So it will take some time to download. As you can see, download is in progress. Yeah, so you can see it's almost completed. Yeah, so you can see download is now completed. So you can see in the downloads folder, and you can extract in your location, whatever location you want, and then it will take some time to extract. So you can see extract is almost completed. Yeah, so extract is now completed. So you can see all the files over here. So yeah, now you can see setup file. Okay, there. So you can click on that setup file for installation. Okay, so it's preparing to install. Okay, so it may take some time, 20 to 25 minutes depending on your system. So we will accept. Yeah, going to next. So here you can see all the users. Okay, so it's sys system pdb admin. Okay, so you take a screenshot of that users. Okay, so let me take the screenshot. Yeah, it's done. So you can give the password as per your choice. So here I am giving as system, and also same thing in confirm password system, and I will click on next and then install. So it started installing, and it can take up to 20 to 25 minutes. Yeah, so installation is in progress. As you can see, it's still in progress. Yeah, it's done. So you can click on finish. Okay, now you can go to start menu and select SQL Plus. Okay, so this window will come in, and then you can enter the username which you have taken the screenshot, any user. So I am giving here system, and password also system in small letter. Okay, so it's connected, you can see, to Oracle Database 21C Express Edition. So we can use some commands just to check whether it's working or not. So I am selecting sysdate from dual and press enter. So you can see sysdate it is giving 15th March 2024. So it's working fine. So we are good with SQL Plus. Now we will be going to Google and we will search for Toad for Oracle 11G. Okay, and there you can see multiple links. So come down and you can see one link, file hots. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, this one. So click on this link. So here you can see it's Toad for Oracle. So you can download from there. Okay, But one thing to remember, this version will be trial version. It's for 29 days. So yeah, you can do your assignments, learn the queries in the 29 days. So once it is expired, you can again reinstall. So let me click on this for installation. Okay, now I'm clicking on next and then install after clicking next. Next. Now install. So it started your installation for Toad. As you can see, it's in progress. Yeah, so installation is completed. Now you can click on finish and you will get an icon in your desktop for Toad, as you can see here. Okay, so you can double click that and open Toad. So it's opening. Yeah, so you can skip this or you can put remind me later. Yeah, so here you can see user and password. So you can give same user what you have connected to SQL Plus and the screenshot you have taken. Any user, sysdba, system or pdb admin. Okay, so I am giving here system and the password is also system. Then you click on connect. So it's connected. Okay, and then you can just do some query just to check whether it is giving the desired output or not. So I am just putting select sysdate from dual and I am executing that. Yeah, so you can see the sysdate is displayed. Okay, so another command you just for testing you can use anything. So select like 5 plus 7 from dual. Okay, so it should give 12. Let me execute. Yeah, you can see 12 is displayed. So yeah, it's working perfectly, and in our next session we will see more in Toad for all the queries, table creation, etc. Okay, so thank you for watching and please stay tuned for more updates in our next sessions. Okay, thank you, bye.